begin with a major first step in the fight against COVID-19. This morning, health officials in the UK started administering the first doses of the widely tested Pfizer vaccine. Now, this first treatment went to Margaret Keenan, who turns 91 years old next week. The grandmother said that she was privileged to be the first person vaccinated against the vaccine. Here in the U.S., the FDA could authorize Pfizer's vaccine as early as the end of this week. Meanwhile, the Trump administration is denying a New York Times report claiming that it failed to lock in more Pfizer vaccine doses over the summer, which could delay more Americans getting a shot. Deborah Alfarone is in Washington. Deborah, finally some hope in the battle against this virus.
Absolutely, Anne-Marie. All eyes are on Thursday. That's when a panel from the FDA will be looking at these new vaccines. After that, there could be a vote to authorize emergency use, and 24 hours later, the vaccine could roll out here in the U.S. They're calling it V-Day in the United Kingdom.
It's the beginning of the end of this pandemic.
Today, the country kicks off a mass coronavirus immunization program.
Top of that priority list includes people in care homes as well as the over 80s.
87-year-old Dr. Harry Shukla is one of the first to get the vaccine.
A big relief, because I think it's not an ordinary crisis.
Here in the U.S., the Food and Drug Administration may authorize the Pfizer vaccine this week. Today, President Trump hosts a White House summit to promote the rapid development of COVID-19 vaccines.
And it's very transparent because the data upon which they base that decision will ultimately become totally public.
A report from the New York Times says the Trump administration passed up the opportunity to buy more doses of the Pfizer vaccine beyond an initial 100 million. The decision could delay the delivery of a second batch until June. But the administration says the report is false and points to 5 other candidates, including Moderna's, which the FDA could authorize later this month.
Operation Warp Speed seems poised to deliver vaccines on an historic, almost miraculous timetable.
On Capitol Hill, lawmakers continue negotiating a coronavirus relief package.
It's going to take a sense of urgency now, Mr. Leader.
The $908 billion bill is held up on aid to state and local governments and business liability protections. And while the vaccine might move forward this week, this relief package, we're hearing from Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, he's saying we might have to look to next week to get some movement on that, Anne-Marie.
They gotta get on it. Deborah Alfarone in Washington. Deborah, thank you so much.